Week 9 of pregnancy is a time of significant changes for the baby, as it nearly doubles in size. At 9 weeks, the embryo measures approximately 2.5 or 3 centimeters. Its weight is around 3 grams. Among the most significant changes in its development are the following. Hands show up with all fingers intact and well-formed. The legs grow longer, and the feet with all their toes begin to show up too. The dolls make their appearance, followed by the ankles. The head is no longer so disproportionate, and the body starts to elongate gradually over time. The face begins to take on a shape more similar to that of a newborn baby. The eyes migrate to the front of the face, the eyelids develop and will stay closed, and the mouth can even open at this stage. In addition, the organs of the digestive system also begin to develop. The bones continue to grow steadily, and the skeleton gradually hardens. Another change is that the embryonic tail at the end of the spine disappears. The genital tubercle develops, and from it, the sex organs will differentiate based on gender. The embryo can already move in this 9th week of pregnancy, but these are movements that the woman cannot perceive. The 9th week of pregnancy marks the end of the embryonic stage. From this moment on, the embryo is referred to as a fetus, which continues to grow rapidly.